Hi, I'm Angie Rito.
And I'm Tacinelli.
Sorry. We are chef owners of Don Angie in the West Village and authors of the cookbook Italian American.
Welcome to our home in Dumbo, Brooklyn.
I'd say the style of our apartment is pretty eclectic, but we have a lot of unique and personal touches around. The eclectic design of our apartment starts right here in our entry hallway. We love this Fornasetti wallpaper because it reminds us of Florence, which was the city in Italy where we got married. We have some family photos here. This is an old picture of my family on Christmas Eve, celebrating the Feast of the Seven Fishes. We think all of these little touches come together and really make this place very personal and makes it a home. And here we are entering our main living space. So here we have another fun wallpaper moment.
It's from a very, very famous Italian-American restaurant on the Upper East Side called Gino, which is now closed. Italian-American food and Italian-American old-school restaurants are really a passion of ours, so we thought this was very fitting for our apartment.
Yeah. So right here we have our bar cart. One of the main things we love to collect is Amaro, which is like a bitter digestivo, like an after-dinner drink.
And we also have some vintage stuff. So this is Campari from the 1960s. The color of Campari was always done with beetles. So now I think they use dye in it, but this is one of the original...
Actually made with bugs. For a while it was just the two of us. Now we have our baby, obviously. We try to keep things pretty minimal.
So as you make your way around our living area, you'll see we have two bookshelves that have, I would say 90% of the things on here are cookbooks. We really actually enjoy looking at cookbooks for inspiration. We have Italian cookbooks, we have pasta books.
We have an ode to Guy Fieri here. We have a Guy pillow with spaghetti and meatballs and hamburgers on there.
It's a good conversation piece, I'll tell you that. It's a very good conversation piece. So who's hungry?
So here we are in our kitchen. People always ask us who cooks at home, and it's kind of funny because neither of us, we don't really cook a lot at home. We don't end up using our kitchen a whole bunch aside from making baby food for our son. It's pretty minimalist, but I think, we have everything here basically that we need. So today we are making a radicchio salad with apples, cilantro, and hazelnut.
We're using radicchio tardivo, which is like this long radicchio that looks like fingers. When you cook at home, you do need a lot of area for preparation, and we're lucky because we have a lot of counter space to prepare all of our dishes. So we're gonna soak them in the ice water for a couple minutes while we make the dressing.
I grew up in Cleveland, Ohio. My family there has an Italian bakery. My grandfather came from Sicily. It's just something I've been really passionate about my entire life, and I honestly couldn't see myself doing anything else.
I'm very lucky because I have a partner that also loves cooking and we can do it together.
Now I'm gonna add in my remaining ingredients here. And now we have our dressing.
Our book is filled with recipes like this. It takes about 20 minutes to make start to finish, which is great. All of the ingredients are available at your local grocery store, and most of the recipes are very, very simple. So Angie's gonna plate the salad, and then we're gonna drizzle on the dressing. And then for the final touch, I'm just gonna add the cilantro on top. The way things look, the way food looks, I think is extremely important.
I think it goes along with too, we take a lot of pride in what we do, so we just want to put the best foot forward. We want it to taste great and to be comforting and soulful, but we also want it to look beautiful. Thank you so much for visiting us in our home. We hope you'll come and see us at our home away from home, Don Angie.
Now it's time to eat, I'm starving. Pretty good.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?